Traders and holders, how are you? So we're going to talk about a few reasons why the crypto rally that looks like we had beginning yesterday suddenly fizzled out and really hasn't gone anywhere. So we're going to talk about that in this video. If you're new to me, please do two things: hit that like and hit that subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're watching this over on X, think about giving me a follow. I'd greatly appreciate it. So I'm going to give you a few reasons here in a minute, kind of why it fizzled out, if you will. It's a technical term, fizzled out. But I want to share this with you. This was interesting. I was looking at this, kind of getting ready for this video, and I was looking at right in here where we saw the market. Let me see. Let me go back to here, reset that page because it's not giving me the data I want right there. Okay. So here we go. So I was looking at this. So I was looking at on the 23rd leading into yesterday. So I was looking at how kind of the volume was and the overall market cap, and it was like 2.8 trillion. And then it started to move up as well as volume did. Now at its peak yesterday on the 24th, we had we hit about 2.89 trillion. So almost about $90 billion or so was added. And then we started about 4 or 5 o'clock yesterday. So this would be, Eastern Standard Time or so. The market started to pull back and started to kind of give back some of those gains. Now that's a really small little time frame, right? In the context of kind of looking at the overall market. And you can see right now we're up 0.12. Okay. So don't run away and buy that island in the Bahamas or whatever it may be, as far as, quit your job or anything like that. Here's what's happening. If you look at a couple of reasons of why that little small rally, it looks like we were putting together, suddenly kind of faltered and went away. There's numerous reasons. And to name a few, there is a lack of liquidity in the market. There simply is. Okay. So there's a tremendous amount of money sitting on the sidelines. Stablecoin numbers are really at an all-time high. People are sitting there waiting. And it's just that lack of liquidity, and kind of which leads me to my second point of why that market has kind of is halted, if you will, and why I don't see any extended rallies in their near to short term future here. Is fear, uncertainty. And I showed that to you. I wasn't pointing that out, but if you look at the fear and greed index, we're at a 34, and we've been here. If you look at last month, it was a 29. You look at last week, it was a 25. You look at yesterday, it was a 31. We have a lot of fear in the market. Now, that fear is being driven by, I think, other factors. That fear is being driven by the overall financial markets that are out there, the uncertainty around that. That's all there. And that's not going to change anytime soon. We have to wait to see what the Federal Reserve is going to do. What are they going to do? What are they not going to do? What's Trump going to do as it relates to the tariffs? The tariff situation, I think, is creating a lot of turbulence. That's my word, and uncertainty in the market and fear in the market. It's just there. Okay. The third reason you're not seeing any type of a sustained rally is retail interest is at an all-time low. Okay. So I'll show you that. If you take a look at, I have no X. There it is. I can't find my tabs today. I'm just having one of those days. Perfect. This is what I wanted. Yay. This is pinned on my X account, by the way, at the top. So the blue line is retail investors. Retail investors left in December of 2024. That is the blue line. See how it just dropped off dramatically. Conversely, look at the red line. That is larger investors. I can't talk. Investors, whales, financial, Wall Street, things of that nature, institutions started really, really buying in August of 2024. And you can see that number has gone up dramatically. So you can see blue line, retail investors have left. Red line, institutional investors stepped in and started buying. But overall, that's really where we're at. And, there's a multitude of other reasons of why the crypto rally was halted. Some people would say manipulation. I definitely think there's manipulation going on every single day in the crypto market. The crypto market is an open and free market. By the way, there's manipulation going on in the stock market too. This is not something that's just, singled out inside of the crypto market. And the list could go on and on and on. I think that overriding right now, I think that literally everybody is waiting to see what the next positive catalyst or catalysts will be for crypto. And that's really what it comes down to. It is simply a matter of people are fearful about the overriding financial market situation. And I'm not just talking about crypto, yes, crypto, but also just the overriding financial situation. I think they're still reeling from higher costs on everyday, just living costs, food, fuel, rent, everything out there. And I think all of that is creating a reason, a list of reasons of why we're not going to get really any sustained rally. Now, again, this is not a doom and gloom. The sky is falling. Everything is done. Some of you guys immediately go to that. And that's not what this is. This is a state of the union of where we're at right now with a lot of larger financial issues, financial market issues that are out there that are not going to be solved anytime soon. Okay. And so you have to understand that those are the realities that we are dealing with. And so, if you're one of those people that is sitting on the sidelines, there's nothing wrong with that. B, if you're sitting there with some money and you want to put it in, maybe DCA in or wait to see, maybe just a little bit and then sit on that cash, right? Sit on that stable coin. Okay. I have stable coins sitting on the sidelines right now. I do. I have money in the market. I absolutely have money in the market, but I'm not pulling that money out. I'm not taking a loss or anything like that. Okay. So understand we've just got some rocky and uncertain times right this instance, and they will be solved as we roll along. Okay. And this, by the way, is an ever-changing, shifting landscape. It changes on almost a daily basis. It really kind of does. Okay. So before I let you go, let me share this with you. It's really pretty cool. This is something that I think is really cool. This is Best Wallet. There's a link in the description below. It is a wallet that's free to get, by the way. So if you hit my link below, and then you can get it on Google Play or App Store, it's free. Okay, so you can download it and try it. This competes with like a MetaMask or a Trust Wallet. But what Best Wallet has done is create an ecosystem. They have the wallet, which is really good, very, very good. Okay. Then they have their own DEX, their own trading platform with 60 plus chains. All the major altcoins, all the major coins and tokens are there. But also when they have pre-sales coming through their exchange, you're going to get early access to that. But they've also got an in real life debit card, which I think is really, really very, very cool. It is an in real life debit card that you can use. It's talked about right here, best card. You see, it's an in real life debit card that you can use to basically spend your crypto in IRL, in real life. Because right now it's a pain in the butt to spend crypto in our real life, right? You have to transfer it into you have to go to a Coinbase or crypto.com or somewhere, and then you have to transfer it. You have to wait for it to hit your account, and then you're good to go, right? But it's just a pain in the butt. It is. Okay. So that's something that I think that what Best Wallets solved. And so, by the way, so you can get it for free if you want to just test it and try it out. It's right here. You can click on the link down there. I would do it on your mobile. Click on your link. It's a trusted link. It's on my YouTube channel, and you can download it on Google Play or the App Store. Okay, so give that a look. Also, while you're down there, if you're interested, check out my trading indicator. There's a link down there to X1 Algo. You can see it can help you know when to buy and sell any cryptos. This is XRP before it took off back in November. 86 days at 485%. So $2,000 bought here, sold here would have made you a profit of just shy of $9,000. $9,000. How much would $9,000 have changed your life in, say, 86 days, as an example? So it can help you know when to do that. You can also use the software to trade stocks. This is Netflix. You can see up in the left-hand corner, this is the Netflix chart. Okay, so you can use it for Netflix too. And there is, 400 plus days, 113%. Obviously, stocks don't move as much as crypto does, but you get a 2-for-1 here. You get stocks and you get crypto, and you can use it on both. By the way, the software runs on your iPhone or Android, or it runs on your computer, wherever you want. You get these alerts. It's really cool. So links in the description below to that. Check it out, and it's right there. You get quarterly options the best. You also have a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee, which means you can try the software for 30 days. You don't like it, you get a discount. I mean, it's not discount. You get a refund. Excuse me. You get a discount because there's a discount code down there. 30 days, you get a refund. No questions asked. See you.